Hello everyone and welcome back to SAP Finance Lab. In this video we'll start a brand new series about SAP Finance Master Data. Master Data is the foundation of finance and controlling in SAP, and without it you simply cannot run transactions. Today I'll explain what Master Data is, why it's important, and what types of Master Data exist in SAP Finance. Let's begin with the basics. In SAP we have two main types of data: Master Data and Transactional Data. Master Data is the core information that rarely changes. Think of it as the setup data. Transactional Data, on the other hand, is the day-to-day business activities. Things like invoices, payments, journal entries. Let me give you an example about this. If you have a vendor in your system, that vendor is Master Data. But when you post an invoice to that vendor, that invoice is Transactional Data. Master Data is critical because it ensures accuracy, consistency, and control. If master data is wrong or incomplete, your financial transaction will fail, reports will be inaccurate, and business decisions will suffer. That's why companies invest a lot of effort in setting up and governing their master data properly in SAP. In finance and controlling, we work with several master data types. The key ones are GL accounts, vendors, customers, assets, bank accounts, cost centers, profit centers, activity types, and statistical key figures. Each of these master data objects plays a specific role in finance and controlling, and I'll dedicate a separate video for each one of them. Let's imagine a real-life scenario. A company signs a contract with a new supplier. Before they can post an invoice, they first need to create a vendor master data record. This record stores the supplier's bank information, address, payment terms, and payment methods. Same as in controlling, a factory might use an activity type like machine hours to allocate production cost, or a statistical key figure to distribute, for example, HR expenses based on number of employees across departments. This shows how finance and controlling master data give a complete financial picture. So that's an overview of SAP Finance Master Data. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deep into each one of the master data objects with hands-on demo in SAP. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in the series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.